Hello everyone, welcome back to Currency Wizard. Today, we're diving into a topic that can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Good debt versus bad debt. Understanding the difference between the two is crucial for making informed financial decisions. So if you're ready to master the art of debt, let's get started. Before we get into the intricacies of good and bad debt, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Now, let's break down the concept of debt and how it can either work for you or against you. Good debt is typically an investment in your future. This can include things like student loans, mortgages, or business loans. These debts have potential to generate long-term value or income. For example, taking out a mortgage to buy a home can be considered a good debt, as it's an investment in an appreciating asset. Now on the flip side, we have bad debt. Bad debt is usually associated with purchases that don't appreciate in value or generate income. Credit card debt, high-interest personal loans for non-essential items, or financing a depreciating asset like a car fall into the bad debt category. These types of debts can quickly become financial burdens if not managed wisely. Now that we've identified the distinctions, let's talk about managing good debt. The key here is to ensure that the debt aligns with your long-term goals and has the potential to increase your net worth. Making timely payouts, exploring favorable interest rates, and being strategic in your debt decisions contribute to effective management of good debt. Avoiding and eliminating bad debt is equally as important. It starts with distinguishing between wants and needs. Before taking on debt for a purchase, ask yourself if it's a necessity or a luxury. If it falls into the latter category, consider saving up for it rather than relying on credit. Additionally, diligently paying down high-interest debts should be a financial priority. While it might sound counterintuitive, some debts can be strategic tools for wealth building. Mortgages, for example, allow you to own appreciating assets while spreading the cost over time. Understanding how to leverage debt wisely can be a game changer in your journey to financial success. In conclusion, the key to navigating the world of debt is understanding the purpose behind it. Good debt can be a tool for wealth building and achieving financial goals, while bad debt can hinder your financial progress. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the realm of good debt versus bad debt. Until next time, make informed financial decisions, and may your debts work for you, not against you. Take care, and see you in the next video.